Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create a script for our platform. One is for our fan, as when our character fall on the fan, it would turn on. And other is our platform start moving upward. So go to Asset, Script folder, and create a new script and name it platform animation. Perfect. Now simply double click and open it. First of all, we are going to create an animation for our fan. So what I am going to declare a private animator fan anim variable, and as I have initialized it, I have to access it equal to get component animator. Now I am going to create a new method, name it void on collision, enter 2D. That's mean when we start the game and when our player enter and collide with the fan, what it will happen? The fan start turn on. If I am going to write a condition, if collision dot game object, as our player is also a game object, dot compare the tag of what tag? Player tag. Player, what it will do? It will play fan animation. Fan anim dot play. Which animation? As you can see, if I select the animation, select fan, which animation? Fan turn on animation. So just fan on. Perfect. So just save it and select fan and add a component, search for the platform animations. Now if I press play, as you can see, just select the player and tag the player. So if I press play, here you can see our fan is turned on. So that's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will write the script for our platform. See you in next lecture.